How to get the new 2026 emojis on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, download and install it. Apple adds new emojis through iOS updates, so you'll need the latest supported version to access them. Once your iPhone has finished updating, go back to General and tap Keyboard. Again, tap Keyboards. Tap Edit, then tap red dash icon, and tap Delete to remove the emoji keyboard. Next, tap Add New Keyboard. Search for emoji, and add it again. Now go back to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. This only resets your keyboard dictionary and won't delete your personal data. After that, open any app that lets you type, such as Messages or Notes. Tap the emoji icon on the keyboard and browse through the available emojis. You can also use the search bar to look for any newly added emojis. If you still don't see the latest emojis, it usually means your iPhone model doesn't support the newest iOS version, or Apple hasn't released the new emoji update yet. That's it. That's how you can get the latest emojis on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.